Okay, YouTubers, today I'm going to try out the Cabelas meat grinder, Cabelas Deluxe. This is the 600 watt version, and I've got some deer meat that's pretty close to temperature. Some of them are still a bit frozen, but there's a bunch here that are probably close enough that we can run it through and see how well it does. It says to have a temperature between, what does it say, 38 to 40. I just took these out of the freezer this morning, so it's not quite thawed out. Some of them are soft, so we'll run through some and see how they do. Okay, I got my hopper all loaded up, so we'll give that a try and see how she does. Get a little bit down in the hole here. Comes with a plunger so you can plunge in and not kill your fingers. Turn that on. That's a larger cutting disc on there. I recommend running through that before you put the small one on. I think I'll probably keep it that size. I'm making sausages anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So, quick workout of that. Got a reverse feature on it. You gotta stop it. Let it stop for till the motor stops, and then you can press it for 5 seconds if you need to use it. So there we go. Got another full tray of meat to do yet, and then I'm done, and I'll be putting up a video making some Italian sausages. This is venison, and I've got some pork here thawing out, but I guess I'll be making the sausages tomorrow. This is still rock solid, so I'll put up a separate video for that using the Princess Auto sausage stuffer that I got. Okay. Hey everybody, so I'm done. That's 5 pounds of venison. Now it's just going to be cleaned up, and clean up is just soap and water. No dishwasher for this, or you'll take the finish off the parts. So it'll be just a matter of getting that out of there. There we go. Meat that's there, I'll just push that meat through there before I run it in. The cutter right here on the end. A little bit of meat around it. Mostly fat, grizzle, so probably won't be able to save him. And there's the amount basically that didn't get it through the grinder. I'll just mince that up with a knife and throw it in mine. in my bowl of meat. Oh, that's that. Give that a wipe down with a cloth, and she's ready to put away. Should note this piece comes off too, so make it easier to clean. Take that right off.